Hello everyone, and how are you doing today? So if you're looking to have that brighter glowing looking skin from within, stick around and I'll show you how to come up with this yummy ascorbic juice loaded with all those ascorbic foods to brighten and clear your skin from the inside so you can have that brighter glowing and beautiful looking skin. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. In order to come up with this ascorbic juice, normally you need ingredients containing ascorbic acids in them. The first will be lemons. Lemons contain ascorbic acid, and I like lemon in my juices because it helps to calm down the sugar in them. It helps to give that natural taste that doesn't really taste so sweet but nice in the mouth. Not just that, lemons are loaded with vitamin C. There are natural ascorbic acids to clear your skin from the inside. We mostly use lemons to clear spots on the skin. Consuming it helps to unify your skin tone from the inside. It clears up and cleans your skin from the inside. So what we need is two lemons. You want to get your two lemons, slice and squeeze out the juice, and voila, that is the juice of two lemons. The next ingredient I will be adding is another source of ascorbic acid, vitamin C, which will be grapefruits. So I'll be using two grapefruits. I love the flavor of grapefruits in my juices as well. It has that sour, sweet, and one strange, beautiful flavor. So what you need is two grapefruits. You want to slice and squeeze out the juice. Grapefruits are equally highly rich in vitamin C, which is a form of ascorbic acid, and citric acid, and we all know those are the ingredients that help to clear up the skin. They help to brighten and clear up spots on the skin. So consuming it helps to clear up your skin from the inside. It gives you that clear, brighter, and beautiful looking skin from the inside. Not bleaching, but you have that beautiful brighter skin that glows from within. Yeah, so this is it. You want to squeeze out the juice and use your spoon to try to extract the juice. Even though I will not be throwing my fiber, I will show you how I use this fiber up in my next video. So this is the fiber. I'll just watch what I'll do, and in my next video I'll show you how to use your fiber you get from your food. So yeah, you want to squeeze out all the juice. Vitamin C is very good at clearing the skin because it is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, which causes skin issues like hyperpigmentation, blemishes, spots on the skin, and leaves your skin looking uniform and glowy. Because as I always say, whatever you consume reflects and treats your skin more than the most topical treatment you can ever use. So that is the juice from my lemons and my grapefruits in there. So the next thing I'll be adding here will be mandarins. These tiny little oranges. They are like oranges, but they are called mandarins. They are equally a form of vitamin C. If you can't lay your hands on these mandarins, you can use tangerines. If you can't have tangerines or mandarins, you can skip them. But because I'm just trying to use fruits that contain ascorbic acid, fruits that have citric acid to clear up your skin from the inside and unify it with the rest of your skin to clear and wash up your skin from the inside. So that juicer is full with juice. I have to turn and pour in there so I can mix later on, so I can have space to squeeze all the other juices, because I'm trying to do everything manually today, no blender. So manual juice, as traditional as possible. So yeah, I'm squeezing the juice from my mandarins. They are highly rich in vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, and the citric acid you need to clear up your skin. So you just want to extract all. So I used 4 mandarins. You can use mandarins or tangerines. They are all ascorbic acid fruits. The next fruit I'll be adding in here will be oranges. So I'll be using 2 oranges now. Oranges are equally ascorbic acid, citric acid to clear up your skin. Remember, this is an ascorbic acid juice, a citric juice, concentrated citric juice to clear up your skin from the inside. So that is why you see everything is citric, ascorbic, vitamin C to clear and glow your skin from the inside, to give you that brighter, fresher looking skin. Yeah. So you want to squeeze out and use like your spoon to extract all the juice, in there. And yeah, as you can see, I don't throw my fiber. Just watch. I don't throw my fiber. I'll show you how to use this fiber. And voila, that is it. My 2 oranges squeezed out. That is the juice from my 2 oranges. What you want to do now is to pour the juice like in the previous juices I made. So you want to stir everything well together, mix very well, so you can have that concentrated ascorbic citric vitamin C juice to clear up your skin from the inside, to have that beautiful, fresh and brighter looking skin. This is concentrated, no water added, just natural fruits that are used to make those skin glowy or skin brightening lotions. These are the kinds of fruits that are concentrated, turned into powder form, to make those moisturizers to glow your skin. So just imagine consuming them internally to give you that healthy glow to your skin without spending a lot of money buying expensive moisturizers. Consuming this is like natural glow, natural skin brightener, to brighten up your skin from the inside out. So this is it. You want to have this as your own juice or your own pop. Avoid buying all those sugary pops that have zero nutrients on your body. Why not make these kinds of juices yourself at home and replace all those sugary juices? So you are consuming it, it is so nice like your juice, but will cleanse your skin, leave in nutrients into your system, wash up your skin and leave it so beautiful, rather than all those sugary zero nutrients fruits. So this is like a 2-in-1, your own natural juice plus a natural skin brightening glowy juice. So yeah, these are the kinds of natural healthy juices that will help nourish your skin or your system with all those nutrients, vitamins and minerals you need for the glow of your skin, for the proper functioning of your system, not just to glow your skin or to make yourself feel good consuming a juice. This juice is loaded with so many vitamins and minerals for the proper functioning of your system, so you can stay with good health and healthy skin. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.